Hello friends, welcome to PA Wealth, an investment services organization. We are into equities, mutual funds, insurance and other investment services. You are always welcome to contact us. We would be delighted to share with you our latest thoughts or discuss your investment objectives in greater detail. Now let's begin our video. Let's do some stock research on Berger Paints India Ltd, which is a paint company based in India. Berger Paints India is the second largest paint company in India, having its headquarters in Kolkata. Berger Paints has an international presence in 4 countries, namely Nepal, Bangladesh, Poland, and Russia. Now a little bit of brief history of Berger Paints. The current family managing Berger Paints is known as the Dhingra brothers. Mr. Kuldeep Singh Dhingra and Mr. Gurbachan Singh Dhingra acquired Berger, which faced financial constraints at that time. The brothers have a family history of continuing in the paints business since 1898, when their great-grandfather and grandfather started a paint shop in Amritsar. Dhingra family built a strong exports business in paints industry. Now let's have a look at the present leading team. Mr. Kuldeep Singh Dhingra is the chairman. He has been a director of the company since 1991. He is the 4th generation of his family, which has been continuously in the paint business since 1898. Mr. Gurbachan Singh Dhingra is the vice chairman of the board of directors. He has been a director of the company since 1993. Mr. Dhingra holds a considerable experience in the paint industry, especially in its technical aspects. He is the 4th generation of his family, which has been continuously in the paint business since 1898. Mr. Abhijit Roy is the Managing Director and CEO of the company. He graduated in Mechanical Engineering from Jadavpur University, Kolkata, and completed his post-graduation in Business Administration from IIM Bangalore. Before joining Berger in 1996, Abhijit Roy worked in Asian Paints. In February 2011, the company promoted Mr. Roy from post of Vice President Sales and Marketing as a Director. Mr. Kamardeep Singh Dhingra, Executive Director of the company. He holds a bachelor's degree in Chemical Engineering from University of Akron, Ohio, USA, with specialization in Polymer Engineering and minor in Chemistry. Prior to joining the company, Mr. Dhingra gathered work experience in the field of paints and specialty coatings. Mrs. Rishma Kaur, the Executive Director of the company, is daughter of Mr. Kuldeep Singh Dhingra. Mrs. Rishma Kaur holds a BSc in Business Studies from University of Buckingham, UK and studied German language at the University of Augsburg, Bavaria, Germany. Now let's see business segments of Berger Paints. Berger Paints is present in both decorative as well as industrial paints segment. Decorative paints include interior wall coatings, exterior wall coatings, metal finishes, wood finishes, undercoats and construction chemicals. Industrial paints essentially comprise general industrial, automotive, protective powder, glass can, and pipe coatings. Under the decorative segment, the premium product category is exterior emulsions. These include Weathercoat Anti-Dust, Weathercoat Long Life, Weathercoat All Guard, and Weathercoat Smooth. Business segment can be understood by this graph. 79% is contributed by decorative paint segment, 2% by powder coating, 8% by auto and general industrial paints, and 11% by productive coating segment. Now let's understand the manufacturing capacity of the company. Berger Paints has 20 manufacturing plants, of which 14 plants exist in India. The company largely expanded its manufacturing capacity over last 10 years. Let's take a look at the recent launches. In recent few years, Berger Paints focused on innovative products as well as premium products. To name a few, in financial year 2017, the company introduced new premium products such as Weathercoat Anti-Dust with unique dust guard technology and Silk Glamour, a luxury finish for interior walls and crystal reflective technique. Let's take a look at return on equity of Berger Paints. The company expanded its margin ratios as well as return ratios. The company's net sales grew at a CAGR of 13% over last 10 years. Company's earnings grew at a CAGR of 19% over last 10 years. the company is able to pass on the price variations to the end consumers by increasing or decreasing paint prices, followed by the industry leader. Let's take a look at the focus of management and outlook financial year 20 and ahead. New and innovative products. The company continued its pursuit for introducing new and innovative products through research and development as well as launch of new product lines. Performance of products. In the decorative business, new products were well received in the market and contributed to the overall growth of the business line. Growth of international business. The company's overseas business is doing well. The business of Nepal as well as Poland contributes around 7% to its annual revenue. Focus on premium products. Berger had been focusing on the bottom of the pyramid till the early 2010s. Now it has been focusing on improving its product mix during the recent years by expanding its premium end portfolio. Let's see what are the growth opportunities and strengths of Berger Paints. First one being urbanization. Increasing urbanization in India coupled with rising income levels have resulted in progressively increasing demand for housing, particularly quality housing across Indian cities. Rising income as well as increasing awareness about decorating or safeguarding home has fueled decorative paint demand in India. Lower GST rate. Reduction from 28% to 18% benefited organized players due to a reduction in price gap between products of unorganized and organized players. That's it for today. For more, visit our blog at the link given in the description box below. Also like, comment and share this video. Do subscribe our channel for more such updates.